In 2025, what's the smartest way to learn English? Should you spend hours reading English books? Or should you ask ChatGPT to teach you? Which one is faster? Which one helps you speak better? And which one is secretly wasting your time? Today, we are going to compare ChatGPT 5 and English books in a way you've never heard before. Stay until the end, because the answer might surprise you. And it could change the way you learn English forever. The big question: why this matters? English is the global language of travel, business, and education. Millions of people are learning it every single day. But the problem is not, can I learn English? The real problem is, how should I learn English in 2025? Some people say, books are the best, they worked for centuries. Others say, no, forget books, AI is the future. So today, I'm going to guide you step by step. First, we'll explore ChatGPT 5. Then, we'll look at English books. Finally, we'll compare them side by side to answer the question, which is better for you in 2025? Part 1. ChatGPT 5, your AI language partner. Let's start with ChatGPT 5. Think of it like a super smart English teacher that never sleeps. You can talk to it anytime, anywhere, and it answers immediately. Why is ChatGPT 5 useful? Instant conversations. You can chat like you're talking to a real person. Example: tell me about your favorite movie. It will answer, and you continue the conversation. That's speaking practice without fear. Corrections in real time. If you write, "Yesterday I go to school," ChatGPT will say, "Correction. Yesterday I went to school." This saves you from repeating mistakes. Role-play practice. Want to practice for travel? Say, pretend you're a waiter in a restaurant. ChatGPT will role-play the waiter, and you can order food in English. Personalized learning. If you're a beginner, it uses simple English. If you're advanced, it gives you complex topics like business or science. Daily vocabulary. Ask it, teach me 5 new English words every day with examples. After 30 days, you know 150 new words. So, ChatGPT 5 is like a personal English tutor that adapts to your needs. Fast, interactive, and available anytime. But is it perfect? Not really. Sometimes AI gives short answers or explanations that are too easy or too complicated. And of course, you need internet access. So it's powerful, but it has limits. Part 2. English books, the traditional method. Now let's talk about books. Books may look old-fashioned, but they are still one of the strongest tools for learning English. Why books are powerful? Deep vocabulary and grammar. Books introduce words and grammar in natural contexts. For example, reading a story shows how sentences really flow. Better focus. When you read, there are no distractions, no notifications. Just you and the story. That focus makes your brain absorb more. Cultural knowledge. Books often show culture, history, and feelings. Reading an English novel teaches you not just the language, but the way native speakers think. Strong memory. Reading and rereading helps words stick. When you meet the same phrase in a book 3 times, it becomes part of your brain. Confidence in reading skills. Reading books improves your ability to read articles, exams, and real-life materials in English. Tips for using books. Start with graded readers. Books written for your English level. Read aloud for 10 minutes a day to improve pronunciation. Highlight and write down new words in a notebook. Reread chapters. Repetition is key for memory. But of course, books are not perfect either. They cannot correct your mistakes. They cannot answer your questions immediately. and some learners feel bored or unmotivated reading long texts. Part 3. Comparing ChatGPT 5 and English books. So now, let's compare them side by side. ChatGPT 5. Interactive practice, instant corrections, personalized to your level, needs internet, sometimes less detailed. Books, deep vocabulary and grammar. Focus and concentration. Cultural knowledge and reading skills. No feedback on mistakes. Can feel slow or boring. So, which is better? The truth is, neither is perfect on its own, but together they are powerful. ChatGPT gives you daily practice and instant help. Books give you depth, memory, and culture. If you combine them, you get the best of both worlds. So here's the answer. In 2025, the smartest way to learn English is not to choose between ChatGPT and books, but to use both. Use ChatGPT for practice, feedback, and confidence. Use books for deep knowledge, reading skills, and cultural understanding. Together, they can make you unstoppable in English. Now I want to ask you, do you prefer learning with ChatGPT or with books? Tell me in the comments because I love reading your answers. And if you want more simple, clear lessons like this to improve your English, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.